Welcome! If you manage a LinkedIn page and want to stay on top of every update, comment, and activity, enabling in-app notifications is the best way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on in-app notifications for your page activities on LinkedIn using your PC, based on the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where your profile picture and account menu are located. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Next, on the left-hand side, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you customize how and when you get updates from LinkedIn. Now, scroll down or look for the Pages option within the Notifications menu. Click on it to see all the notification settings related to the LinkedIn pages you manage. Under Activity on Pages you manage, you'll see a toggle or switch for in-app notifications. Simply turn this on. This enables LinkedIn to send you real-time updates about likes, comments, messages, and reminders to post, all directly within the LinkedIn app on your browser. With these notifications enabled, you'll always be the first to know when there's new activity on your page, whether it's a comment from a follower, a message, or a reminder to engage your audience. You can come back to these settings anytime if you want to adjust your preferences or turn notifications off. That's it. You're now set up to receive in-app notifications for all your page activities on LinkedIn, making it easier than ever to manage your professional presence and respond quickly to your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your notifications regularly to keep your LinkedIn page thriving.